Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
The EnPak A60 provides multi-process welding capabilities, including carbon arc gouging with 325 amps of output, so technicians are prepared for any welding job they encounter in the field. Setting up for welding in any process is easy. Just push the weld button. Select the appropriate welding process. Adjust the preset amperage or voltage. Weld settings are automatically saved and are displayed when that process is selected again. Stick welding offers many different features. In either of the stick welding modes, you can utilize the hot start feature to increase the current during starts for the specified time duration. Want a softer, stiffer, or more driving arc? Pressing the Control Select button allows you to set the dig level and the arc response. When Tap to Start is enabled, the engine can be restarted while in the auto stop mode. The unit must be in the weld screen and have SMAW or the gouging process selected. Tap to Start must be enabled within the System Settings menu. Once enabled, it's as easy as tapping the stick electrode to the workpiece to establish the arc. Carbon arc gouging up to 325 amps in 100% duty cycle is possible using the EnPak A60. Select the arc gouging electrode size in the Settings menu. The smaller electrode mode limits the current to 150 amps and allows continuous operation. The larger electrode size allows current up to 325 amps, but stops output while the compressor is recharging. You'll notice that the carbon arc mode has its own air pressure settings. This allows you to adjust and maximize the usable range of air while gouging. TIG welding selections are either lift arc or auto crater. Lift arc improves arc starting without high frequency at any amperage, while auto crater allows the arc termination to slow the solidification of the crater. The Settings button allows you to adjust the auto stop voltage threshold, optimizing when the arc terminates while lifting the TIG torch. For MIG or wire welding, the EnPak A60 has the capability for various solid, dual-shielded, and self-shielded flux cord wires. You can adjust inductance in the wire welding modes by pressing the Control Select knob. When using a spool gun for aluminum or solid wires, select the type of spool gun being used. Then, set the wire feed speed by selecting the run-in speed before arc initiation. Refer to the owner's manual for additional information.